I'm going to go ahead and share my honest review on this 10-inch screen. So this is a backup camera or trailer camera setup that you can go ahead and set up in a truck and trailer. You can set it up in your car, but it is a camera system to go ahead and see all sides of your vehicle and to have a smart screen on your vehicle as well. So it really does come with everything you need to install this. So it does come with a lot of wires. It can be a little over intimidating at first. However, it's actually not that bad once you get it out, read the instructions. It's pretty straightforward. So once my husband hooked it up on his car, it was pretty straightforward to see. You can connect to Bluetooth. There's music. So you kind of have like a smart screen in your car. He has an older 1980s car, so it definitely upgraded his vehicle. You can listen to the regular radio stations. You've got obviously your Bluetooth. You can have playback as well. So you can turn on like a parking monitor and then you can have like a playback for recording. This would be really good in a semi. And the cameras, if you tap on each of them, it will go ahead and pull up the screen of the video. So you can go ahead and see like in depth of what camera you want to see. So we have two side cameras, a front and then a back camera, and they have pretty good angles on them. We still need to adjust some of ours. One of ours was covered because we had to put up a sunshade so I could make the video, but there's definitely a very nice camera system that you can go ahead and set up, especially if you don't have something already. You can brighten it, you can dim it. There's volume control. So there's really everything. You didn't have a clock on it. So it kind of upgrades your car if you don't have a system like this, as well as offers cameras. So I would highly recommend it.